Ayodhya dispute is a political, historical, and a socio-religious debate in India centered on a plot of land in the city of Ayodhya, which is located in Uttar Pradesh. The Babri Masjid Ram Janmabhoomi dispute has its genesis in the mosque built by Babur in 1528. The Hindus have forever claimed that it sits atop the ruins of a Ram temple demolished by Babur's men. The site also marks Ram's birthplace. The historical timeline is as follows. In 1528, a mosque is built on the site by Mughal Emperor Babur, which Hindus allege is the birthplace of Lord Ram and site of an earlier temple. In 1859, the British officials erect a fence to separate the places of worship, allowing the inner court to be used by the Muslims and the outer court by the Hindus. In 1885, Mahant Raghubir Das files a suit seeking permission to build a temple on Ram Chabutra, but his plea was rejected a year after by the Faizabad District Court. On 23rd December 1949, the idol of Lord Sri Ram surfaces inside the mosque. Muslims claim that it was kept there by the Hindus on the intervening night of 22nd and 23rd Decembers. Muslims also protest and both parties file civil suits. The government terms the premises a disputed area and locks the gate. 16 Jan 1950. First title suit is filed by Gopal Singh Visharad asking for the right to worship the idols installed at Asthan Janmabhoomi. In 1959, Nirmohi Akhara enters the fray and files the third suit, seeking possession of the site, doing away with the court-appointed receiver. It claims itself to be the custodian of the spot at which Ram was supposedly born. 18 December 1961, the UP Sunni Central Board of Waqf moves in to claim possession of mosque under the adjoining land. 1983, the Vishwa Hindu Parishad, also known as VHP, starts nationwide movement for construction of temple at disputed site in Ayodhya. On 1st Feb 1986, on a plea of Harishankar Dubey, a district judge directs masjid gates to be unlocked to allow darshan. Muslims set up Babri Masjid Action Committee on behalf of this. In 1989, a fresh suit is filed by former VHP Vice President Deoki Nandan Agarwala in the name of Lord Ram for declaration of the title and possession in its favor at the Lucknow bench of Allahabad High Court. On 23rd October 1989, all the four suits pending before a Faizabad court transferred to a special bench of High Court. November 1989, the VHP carries out Shilayan ceremony in Ayodhya and the first stone of the planned Ram temple is put in the place. December 1989, VP Singh becomes the Prime Minister of the country and Janata Dal-led National Front government comes to the power. September 1990, BJP leader L.K. Advani starts yatra from Somnath in Gujarat to Ayodhya. Advani gets arrested in Bihar during the yatra. November 1990, Karsevaks under the Vishwa Hindu Parishad leaders clash with Uttar Pradesh police in Ayodhya. Police uses force to control the crowd. Scores of Karsevaks are killed. 10th November 1990, Chandrasekhar becomes Prime Minister with the help of Congress. 1991, BJP becomes the biggest opposition party in Lok Sabha after general elections with 120 seats. June 1991, BJP comes to power in Uttar Pradesh. Kalyan Singh becomes Chief Minister. 6th December 1992. This marks the turning point of the entire dispute when Babri Mosque is razed to the ground by supporters of the Vishwa Hindu Parishad, the Shiv Sena and the BJP, promoting nationwide communal riots between Hindus and Muslims in which more than 2,000 people died. May 1996, BJP becomes single largest party in Lok Sabha elections. Atal Bihari Vajpayee becomes PM for 13 days. March 1998, BJP returns to power with Atal Bihari Vajpayee as PM for second time. The government lasts for 13 months. October 1999, the BJP again comes to power at the centre with a coalition of National Democratic Alliance and completes full term. April 2002, 3 Allahabad High Court judges began hearings on determining who owns the religious site. 30th September 2010, Allahabad High Court gives verdict. A 3-judge bench of the Allahabad High Court partitions 2.77 acres into 2:1 ratio between Hindu and Muslim groups respectively. 9th May 2011, the Supreme Court states the verdict of Allahabad High Court order of splitting the disputed site in 3 parts and says that the status quo will remain. 8 March 2019, the Supreme Court constitutes a mediation panel with F.M. Khalifullah as the chairman and comprising spiritual leader Sri Ravi Shankar and senior advocate Sri Ram Panchu to mediate in the land title dispute. 2nd August 2019, Supreme Court announces that on basis of the report submitted by the chairman on the committee, the mediation has failed. The court orders date to the hearing of the case from 6th August. 6 August 2019, a 5-judge constitution bench headed by Chief Justice Ranjan Gogoi and comprising Justices Sharad Arvind Bobde, Dhananjaya Yashwant Chandrachud, Ashok Bhushan and Abdul Nazir begins day-to-day hearings of this case. 9th November 2019, the almost 70-year-old long dispute comes to an end. The 5-judge bench orders setting up of a trust that will eventually pave the way for construction of the temple at Ayodhya. It also orders allotting 5 acres to Muslims in Ayodhya for building the mosque.